Hello, my name is Laura Kingsley and I am doing a teardown for ESE350 for the spring of 2015 of the PC. Okay, so to start off, the more basic things are the power and the reset buttons, and underneath the power button is connected to the DC input, and it's a 12-volt input and 3.25 amps. Connected to the reset button are these switches, which connect here and then connect to the main board. There is a fan that also connects to the main board that runs when necessary to keep all of the electronics cool. The input, the controller input to the game, there are 4 possible controllers and 2 memory card slots. And those ultimately connect through here, and then that information gets passed down to the CPU and GPU through this connecting. And then same thing with the memory card slots. This gets read in through here and then passed down into the machine. Additionally, there's a DVD disc reader, which gets popped open, and underneath you can put the disc down and gets read and written to using this PCB. On the main board, and you can take this off from the device. These are 2 SRAMs. They are 24 millibytes MOSIS 162 megahertz ATI flipper GPU, and it additionally has 3 megabytes of on-chip SRAM and 51 million transistors. Right here is the IBM, right here is the high-speed serial port, and right here is the just normal serial port that gets connected. Okay. And it all fits together with a variety of screws, and this, for example, is like thermal putty that covers all of these devices and kind of like creates space while it's all intact. All right. On the bottom, here is the analog output that ultimately gets, you connect to your TV and it gets displayed. Gecko Power CPU, SRAMs,